I just wanted to do a quick video here that might help someone in their queen spotting when they're a beginner beekeeper. Now, for the first number of years of beekeeping, I had great difficulty finding the queen when she was unmarked. But in the last couple of years, I got a lot better at it. So it really has to be something that just comes with practice and comes with knowing what you're looking for. Now, in this case, I've already gone through this hive. This is my second time going through this hive. I'm just on my way back after having gone through an inspection and not seeing the queen. And I kind of suspected the queen might be on this frame because I did find eggs on this frame and, of course, larvae in different stages. But they were also making a queen cup here, so I'm going to keep an eye on that. But as this frame gets flipped over, a number of sharp-eyed viewers here spot the queen. So I'm going to point her out for you so that you can see exactly what she is, where she is, how she moves, what she looks like, that type of thing. So right on the top edge of the frame, right there, you can see a good side profile view of this queen. And what you'll notice right away is that the queen is trying to make her way down to the other side of the frame. There's another view where you can clearly see that that's a queen body right there. She heads towards the dark side of the frame. I'm going to stop her one more time so that you can see that it's definitely the queen. And I did have a queen before that I called camera shy because every time I'd spot her on a frame, she'd do everything she could to move to the other side of the frame. And I think it's just because she's moving to the dark side. Because you have to imagine these bees are living in this beautiful sealed hive that's pretty dark. You come along once a week or once every few days or whatever, and you tear it apart, and it's very disruptive. So it could be that this queen just is not going to be easy to spot simply because she's constantly running towards the dark side of the frame. So big thanks to the people that helped me find this queen. Simon spotted her in this video. 86 Off-Road also spotted her, and Petra has always been great at spotting the queens in my videos. So thanks very much. Just another thing for a beginner beekeeper. This is why I think it's important to videotape all of your interactions with your bees. It just helps you go back and see what you did right and what you did wrong. And in this case, finding the queen after the fact was definitely a good thing.